going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video on Investing Society. Now I want to go over a few stocks that I did recently make a video on. So ESGC, as I told you guys, literally a day after the video, it broke out of my stop loss, which was around 48 cents, and that was the previous support, and it broke all the way down to right now 39 cents. Now this could be the bottom, this can be the bottom, so we have to wait for confirmation if it's gonna start reversing. Right now there's literally no confirmation, so I don't really like this stock currently. Of course, it's just getting beat down, not even just this year, but if you look overall for the past, like from like 2017, 2015 actually, it's just been on a straight downward trajectory. Like, this does not look good for ESGC, just because it's been getting bad news. Investors are selling out, buyers are getting smaller and smaller, and yeah, for this stock I'm out. If it starts reversing for any reasons, news start coming out, that's just a good catalyst for this stock, I'll probably get into it. But right now I'm just like, like there's no need for me to take bigger loss and get emotional on this trade. So for me, I am out, guys. If you guys want to continue your position, or if you guys want to stop your position, you know, it's all on your guys' risk management. But currently right now, yeah, it's just been on a downward trajectory, and it has literally no stop throughout the years. Like, if it went all the way down from like $40 to $5, went back up, and then $20, and then down to $6 again, back to 16. So it's been all over the place. And then even with this consolidation, like, it still broke out of this little consolidation phase, and then it just broke down, and then now we're still going on a downward trajectory. So that's with ESGC. Now let's go with Rivian. Now, we talked about Rivian a couple days ago, and let me see, where's Rivian? Okay, right here. So I was looking at Rivian. I kind of regret myself for this decision, but I knew, okay, I knew hype was gonna wear down, but I didn't know when. So I didn't really take the risk, just because this was a risky trade, but it would have really played on my favor, just because there was a support right here where it broke out at around 140, hit that support, bounced up, hit that support again, which means buyers are getting smaller and smaller. So if there's a lot of sellers and a lot of buyers at support, and buyers keep on buying that support, but it keeps hitting that support, it's gonna eventually break. Why is that? Because buyers are getting smaller and smaller. There's gonna be a point where it hits that support again, and then there's not enough buyers for it to bounce off that support. So it did break that support, and right now sitting around 126.70. So it's hitting at the next support. So if it breaks that, guys, that is very risky. That could signal a sign that it's gonna go back to its original prices, which was around 100. Let me see, where can it? I would say we would see around $105 if it breaks 120, and if it breaks down $100, we could see 95 up to 90s, depending on what's the catalyst on this stock. So it's very risky, but you know, if you see a lot of downside for future, just because they really haven't sold any vehicles yet. So if you see more downside, then this could be a really big play if it goes back to its IPO prices, which is 22% gain. And I would set my stop loss if it goes back to 140. So you have around a 20 to 25% gain, while you have around a negative 12% loss. So you could do that as a trade, but I am not jumping in just yet, just to see what it does here. I don't have to jump in this trade. I'm in other trades currently. So that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. Rivian and EHC. What are my thoughts on that? But with Rivian, since it broke the support, we really don't know if this is gonna be a start of a downward panel. So can we see more downside? Yes. Can it bounce back to original resistance? Yes. So it's currently on my watch list, and to see what happens with that stock. Sometimes you just don't have to do anything with the stock. You don't have to do any trades with that stock. It's just what your thesis is on it, and if it does come true. And every day you want to get better as a trader, so it doesn't mean you have to continue to take losses for you to learn. It just means that you could have projections, and if it does come true, then you're getting better. So that is all for that. That is the end of today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more investing and crypto videos. And also, guys, this Saturday I'm making a metaverse video. I'm talking about a lot of cryptos. I'm talking about Facebook, Microsoft, and other companies that are getting into the metaverse. So I'm very excited. Hopefully you guys enjoy that video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.